to another exciting episode of your favorite show, Step to Success. I am your host Rahul, and today I am going to talk about the most important topic. That is not only the topic, that is the thing which push ourselves to increase our level and do something better according to your limits. So, for that discussion, today I have a very special and interesting guest. So, please make a huge round of applause for Mr. Viren. So, hello, sir.
Hi sir.
So, how was your feeling when you are coming here?
So I'm feeling very good on coming here. So
Okay, so sir, have you ever think you will get a chance to come in my show?
no sir, I don't think so, but I am coming.
Okay, sir. So as we know very well, today we are going to talk about the important topic that is motivation. Motivation plays a vital role in everyone's life. Without motivation, I don't think anyone can get success because if I talk about the most of the successful people, they get motivated from someone. So motivation plays a vital role in everyone's life. So what is your opinion on that?
So sir, it is a true motivation plays an important role in everyone's life because without motivation, we can't do things. But we can't. Everyone needs some motivation. I am talking about so many students. They are doing so many things. They are thought so much types, and they do uh, very lazy things. So motivation is very important for us.
Sir, as you mentioned, most of the students are watching the motivation video, but instead there are most of the students who are demotivated and feeling depressed most of the time.
Because overthinking, it is the main cause of the demotivation.
Okay,
And
so
we
how a
should
student, as a student, how can a student deal with the overthinking?
use and student showing less videos on that time, and they focus on his goals, and they watch videos related to on your aim. So with this type, he ignored so many bad things.
Okay, sir. So what is the role of motivation in your life?
Motivation plays a very vital role in my life, and I am in class 12th, and my confidence is broke at the time of physics exams, and on that day I am ill on that day, and my parents buckle up me and told me you can do it, and you focus on your study is very well, so you go and write a paper, and I
So you are such a luckiest person. Your parents supports you in every time. But what about those parents who didn't support their childrens at the time of result, at the time of study? Most of the parents criticize their children. Actually, most of the parents force their children to study. So what is your opinion on that?
so parents did not think his child is doing bad in his career. That's why parents takes so many strict things on that child's. But in my opinion, I have a great parents, and
Okay, sir. So have you ever motivated someone in your life?
yes, I am motivated. One of my friend, he was doing well in his career at that time. At that time, he is doing bad things, and he pursued so many bad. He consumed drugs, and so I met him, and I told him, you uh, you are a good student, so why you got finish your life in this way? And I motivated him a lot, and then he realized his mistake, so he's doing well in his career nowadays.
Sir, what is your opinion on that? The most of the teenager, most of the adults are distracted or attracted toward the bad habits, just like the consuming of alcohol, and most of the boys are attracted toward the gangster lifestyle. So, what is your opinion on that?
They show so many videos on social media. They show a very luxurious life, and teenager thinks this is a very simple way to need a success, so that's why he attracts a lot gangster vibes, and this type of things. This is the main cause of.
Sir, sir, can you please suggest three things to the students then the student should follow to increase his lifestyle to focus on his goals?
Firstly, focusing on his goals, and don't do so many things in at that time. And the second thing, believe your parents, they never disgrace you. And the third is, uh, and the third one is, you never change so many things. You you do you work on yourself every day.
Okay, sir. So have you ever been motivated by watching, by seeing another personality, just like a successful personality?
Yes, I saw Virat Kohli, and I motivated a lot to watch Virat Kohli, because Virat Kohli is my inspiration and he motivates me a lot. And I'm talking about the Virat Kohli. In 2008, he is a very fatty person, and nowadays he is the finest athlete in the world, and he has a huge following on Instagram, and so he is a inspiration of so many teenagers and youth
So
nowadays.
Virat Kohli is your ideal.
Yes, is my idol. Virat
Okay,
Kohli.
sir. So can you please tell me the two qualities of your favorite Virat Kohli?
Any two qualities. First, his aggression. Because he playing his country by his aggressive side, so it is very good for us, and he give 100% on every situation. This is the second thing.
Okay, so sir, how can a person always be motivated? Most of the students watching, let me tell you about my thing. I watch a movie, I watch a video, motivation video, but I get motivated for a short time, for a 1 day, 2 day, but after some time I feel demotivated again. How can we stabilize the motivation?
Firstly, you can work on yourself, and you work on your day and timings, and you prepare well. You study a book in a day, so you boost your confidence. If you boost your confidence, so you get motivated always, because you think, I have do anything in this world.
Sir, actually my audience wants to know that there is any role of healthy diet in your in the favor of your mind, in the favor of your learning capability.
Yes, if you have a healthy diet, so I'm talking about the many of sources. I'm talking about the fruits. They are good for our mental peace. So it is very good for us, and healthy diet plays a very vital role in our mentality. So
Sir, thank you coming to my show.
thank you.